With 18 years of establishment and development, Weldcom proudly stands as a leading brand in the mechanical and steel structure industry in Vietnam, providing comprehensive equipment, machinery, production lines, and turnkey solutions for both domestic and international businesses. Our products are highly practical, emphasizing on efficiency control and connectivity aimed at smart manufacturing technology. With the pioneering spirit, we are ready to integrate, bringing the latest advanced products and technology closer to steel structure customers worldwide. Steel Construction Expo 2023. Together, pave the way for a future built on the pillars of strength, innovation, and collaboration. For more details, please contact the information displayed on the screen.